What's up guys? Greg with Pizzles Tech Time, back again with another video, and today I got something a little special for you. I'm recording with two cameras, and I wanted to go over quickly my experiences with Meta, because I've had some good and some bad, and there are some concerns about the future that I'm quite worried about, guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name's Greg. I make tech videos weekly in 4K to keep you guys entertained and well informed. I had to go through some troubleshooting with Meta over the past couple weeks, and I really have to say I wasn't quite thrilled with their customer service. I tried WhatsApp, and I also connected with them through email. The live chat was abysmal. It took them a day or two to answer the actual WhatsApp message. Then they emailed me to follow up, and I said yes. Obviously, we're not communicating very well. We keep missing each other. We have a Quest 2 here that has been working pretty fine, besides a couple tracking lost issues and a couple factory resets. The thing's been working pretty well. Needless to say, it has no damage on it, but I'm getting a black screen issue, no tracking, no cameras working, and the headset screen will turn black. It's still on, but it turns black. Long story short, I can't get this into developer mode. I cannot do anything to unbrick this Quest. That's why I was contacting Meta. The headset is out of warranty. I know that, obviously. It's been over a year, whatever Meta's policy is. My concern here is they're not offering any support or any repair for these devices. What they want to do is offer you a refurbished unit, which in my experience can be okay, but it's $150 for a 64 gigabyte headset, which they don't even sell anymore. And the brand new 128 gigabyte headset is $250. Now $100 for storage that you're absolutely gonna need, especially if you're planning to play any new games like Asgard's Wrath 2, you're definitely gonna need that extra storage. So I asked them through the email if I could upgrade the storage, and they said no, you can only purchase a one-in-one replacement for $150. Now, the good part about that is you can keep your old headset if it wants to just turn on. I don't think Meta is doing this on purpose, but they're constantly updating the Quest, and I'm a little bit suspicious now because the Quest 3 is out. Why wouldn't they start throwing problems at Quest 2 owners, offer no support, and then get rid of all their old refurbished units and all their other units on the shelf for the poor people who can't afford the Quest 3, or for the people that don't have $650 to $500 laying around that they can purchase a brand new headset. Now, to be quite honest with you, it wouldn't be the first company that did something like that. I know many companies have been caught in the past, like Apple slowing down the battery life or the phone itself. I've heard that so many times I lost count. So I wouldn't be surprised here if Meta is throwing a couple curveballs at the customer here to try to get them to upgrade or buy out their old stock. Obviously, I know everybody's having a tough year. This financial crisis that we're in is pretty tough. I mean, with interest rates up, people really don't have money to go buy houses. They can't afford rent. Everything has gone up and double and blah, blah, blah. Meta had a tough year, and they just released 2 new headsets, and they still had a pretty tough year. I think it's a little bit messed up to put that on the customer for the company's mistakes. Now, if the headset has no damage, it's been working the whole time, most of the time, why would it just shut off after a software update? And why is it completely bricked and you can't do anything? I could see if I opened this up and I can see the camera was fried or there's something internal going on, that's fine. But Meta needs to offer some sort of support or direct you to a third-party person who can fix it for you at a reasonable price. The second topic I want to talk about is the extended battery, guys. I have my extended battery for my Meta Quest 3. I did a video on the extended battery. If you want to check it out, I'll put it right there. My battery is still working fine, but I'm hearing numerous accounts that people are having the same experience with Meta and their bad service. They're just ignoring their customers until they can try to figure this out. Maybe they're sending people new batteries. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but it is a real nightmare, and I think it's really wrong to do a customer like that. Exactly what's going on here? Do you think Meta is purposely bricking old headsets so that parents have to run out, use their credit cards to buy their kids Quest 3s for Christmas? I mean, it sounds a bit conspiratorial, but there's always Hanlon's razor. Don't attribute malice to anything that could actually be stupidity or incompetence. I do think that it's probably the case. Lulu just wanted to jump in and say hi. He's definitely been missing the limelight a little bit there. Say hi, Lulu. Say hi. We're not gonna attribute any malice to Meta. I'm really hoping that's not the case, and I'm hoping that these people that bought the extended batteries that don't work, mine is, I'm hoping that Meta actually steps up and decides to ship them a new battery and take back the old one, or what have you. You know, it doesn't seem like Meta support is really doing their due diligence here. And if your headset is out of warranty, I understand they can't service it, but they really should have some other options there that make sense instead of sending you the same headset and charging you $150. As for the Meta Quest 3, I am really enjoying the Meta Quest 3 when I get a chance to play it. I haven't had as much of a chance to play it as I would like, but I am really enjoying it. What Meta is doing for VR can be considered pretty cool, and releasing a headset at the price point of the Quest 2 was pretty amazing because it put VR into the hands of people that probably couldn't afford a $500 to $700 headset. After my Rift S broke, Meta gave me no support for that. Now I have an Oculus 2 that is broke, no support for that. Really the only thing they're offering is to purchase a refurbished one. I tried doing that with the Rift S and the cable never worked. Now, what's gonna happen when the Quest 2 stops getting support? Are you gonna be able to buy parts for it? Are you gonna be able to take it somewhere to get fixed? That's my question here for all the parents going out and buying their kids new Quest this year because their Quest is suddenly not working or what have you. I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts, guys, so if you wouldn't mind, drop it down below and let me know what you guys think. Is this Meta up to something, or is this just bad customer service and a bad launch of a new device, bad support for an old device? Really curious to hear what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Greg with Pizzles Tech Time. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video, guys. All right, Lulu, say goodbye. Lulu's out. Peace.
Pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly.